Open Play Store for Android phones or App Store for iPhone. Search for Aquael Aquarium app and press Install. Open Phone Settings and press Wi-Fi Settings. Connect to network with a name starting from word light. Enter password, numbers from 1 to 8 and press Connect. Open notification to log in into Wi-Fi network. Press Configure button. Press on the name of your Wi-Fi network. Enter the password and press Save. Your lamp has been connected to Wi-Fi. Open Phone Settings. Choose Network Settings. Connect to the same network as you connected your lamp. Open Aquael Aquarium app. All set.